Omusajja laundi eyokubiri agenda gwanga mayiti ngena mudigida ngena digido oyo double left ku bati ni jumping ni ngena digido omusajja wammwe
amazina ganye ni champion Mbata strongest man the sweet baby omubwati Uganda Mbata nyetekatekeje munonga ntweyiningire nyine ba coach banje na management yanje basekwemerera okubanza nkategeka training abona kugaro fight then fight eyingarireho n'inkuza kurwana aruna kurwakirwa idi gorora namazima kanyiba nkaza no kurwo mu round yo kubanza eya kabiri eya kasatu eya kana kiyarebere nama kumuwininga yateka mu bitakoze cye bitarumu.
I want to thank all the press people. Thank you very, very much for the work you are doing for us, because without you we shall not be known everywhere, but with you now we are being known and we are being seen each and every day almost. Thank you very, very much. All the delegates in your positions, I want to thank you very much for coming, and thank you very much, because when we see you, we will see that we are getting support from you people. What I request is to you people, go and search for us. We want sponsors. We have a lot to do, but we are lacking sponsors. Otherwise, if we get sponsors, this sport will be on without ending, because we still need a lot of things that have to be done by the federation. We are going on for a talent show. We are looking for talents right from 5 years, both girls and boys. Women, please come into the sport. We need you into the sport, because we want to have a gender balance. This sport is not only just for men, it is also there with you women. You even go and fight for us and bring belts, as you are seeing here, for Uganda, because you will be standing in for Uganda. I want to thank everyone who has attended this one, and I want to give a real support to fighters that we are beginning, because this is what I was talking in the beginning. I wanted a fundamental change, and I'm looking for a fundamental change whereby I'm looking at the welfare of all the fighters, right from amateur to a professional fighter. In this way, this is how we are going to build our fighters, and they get morale of what they are doing. This is their sweating. Let's embrace their sweat so that they get what they are sweating for. I know if we work together, we shall achieve what we want. But if we do this way, we shall all just fall down. The moment we separate, I always tell people, let's be together and fight together. That is the way we shall win. May God bless you. The fight which is going to be on Idi, it will be a wonderful fight, because we are going to exhibit a K1 style. With the K1 style, we have rules governing them. We have different styles within kickboxing, about 8 of them. But now we are mostly specializing right from full contact coming upwards, forgetting the first ones. But we want even to raise the first ones, because the first ones are experienced within the kids. That is where we are having the first steps or the first classes or categories of kickboxing. We shall have a K1 style whereby there will be no elbows, no headbutting. You don't kick your opponent on top of the head with a raising kick or a whole kick. But if it is at the forehead where it starts, coming down is allowed. We don't kick the back, now nor do we punch the back. We don't kick the knee. We don't kick the ankle. And we don't kick the underbelt or the groin part of it. We kick the thigh in and out. We kick the lower part in and out, differentiating it from a low kick style. Because with a low kick style, you will kick only the thigh in and out. You don't kick from the knee downwards. That is a low kick style. But we are going to use a K1 style whereby we kick the lower part and the thigh in and out. You are allowed to kick from the underbelt up to the other part of it, in front. How do we gain points? That is also very important. This is a combat sport. Right from full contact, we need the impact. If there is no impact, however much you punch, even if there are 100 punches, that means you have gained no point because there is no effect on the person you are fighting with. So I want us to get it clear because this is where I always find problems in judgment. People say, no, this one is the winner. He has boxed him. No, I tell him, with 100 punches, if I only just punch you 1, 2, you are down. But if I give you 100 punches, will you still be standing? So this is how we count points, which earn more points than ordinary kicks. When I talk of technical kicks, the fighters really know what I'm talking about. The fighter from Kampala is called Mukaro Leonard. Mukaro Leonard, please stand up. I want everybody to see you.
Let's welcome him.
That is the fighter who is going to go against Mbata House. We are preparing Mbata House for another big fight ahead. There is a big fight which is coming ahead. This time he's going to fight for the East and Central Africa title belt in the near future. We are preparing that one also. So please, when we call you, please come on board and assist us so that we get a colorful event. From there, we'll go for an intercontinental title fight. Before that, he will go for Africa. Then he will go, after the Africa title, he will go for intercontinental. After intercontinental, he goes for the world title. I hope and pray to God that he will make everything what we are suggesting and what we are planning to go ahead and we see it pass. May God bless you. And the fighter from Kampala, Mukaro Leonard, has 11 fights. 8 wins with KO, 2 draws, and 1 loss. I know that will be a very good, nice challenge. So, my dear son, I want to tell you the truth that you'll have a very, very good, nice fight. And I want to see a professional fight between you two people.
Kituufu simanyi oba anaasobola. Kituufu simanyi musajja wange oba onaasobola. Si kuyisaamu maaso.
semana mpaka audio
nekola nnyo training ye libeereko kubanga nange nzize situdde ekyemalirizaako okugamba si mu bubi fugenazanya fair fight anasinza skill yanakola ki anayitaawo kuba guno omuzanyo gwa just it's a game, it's all about a game. Kuzanya kunyumirwamu nakakasa skill ate tetugujjamu mpala naawe kitegeera obeera onkubye ojja Kampala nange nenkukyaza nange mbangu tutte era okomawo n'ogunona ojja n'ogukima gaba stay hunters nze yejimu yange ebyo mbadde ngezaako byensobodde okukugamba muganda
Ausimba tuona lejo
omulwanyi omulungi oyogedde bulungi naye tubulireko mbata ono n'omuyisa otya tubire kumukubira mu round ki kubanga mugenda kuzanya rounds 3
tasukka yakubiri
ogambye eki
tasukka yakubiri
okakasa
lwaki
tasukka yakubiri kuba ne skilled computer system
champion wa Africa muna
Eastern Central wansi waggulu computer system simayo bagisukkeyo okubiri wekiri amanya mukalo Ronald aka Ninja Sago sumise guta
Nese tumayo bachi checho Ninja Segusu Seguta Ninja man
amazina ganye ni House Mbata champion strongest man the sweet baby omubwati Uganda wabando wabaranga
Obusajja omutisi
abantu tikumanya ibari wabura ngo nomubwati Uganda na House Mbata nimbanza kusima munonga aba basakuzo mu press conference yanje ndukwaniriza yideji eyituru muntu zamu majura ni ide manzari muniza kulya manzari gangere bangaga niza kulya mucyara wanje ngugumwinaha nienda kumwora na kuwaidi
weli
so ngarika nyaniriza munonga bana mawurire aba mawurire number 1 mu base kufura Mbata cyari kandi nkivumirira munongo kusanga umuntu yakwata wa mawurire umuntu kakwata wa mawurire okamutera Mbata ninkivumirira munonga akwa nimwe mutubesize okubasa kutimbura talent z'abana okupromoting ihanga nese zindi zikamanya ngo Uganda kozere ki eriyo ngarika nsima munonga ba sponsors banje aba basa kwemera kwiza kuberera Mbata mukizo mu press conference ngarika nsima press conference musimba ba sponsor aba batabasa kwizo omunakejo press conference eji abase kusponsor eji fight erero na kurwachi rwa ID ngarika nsima munonga na timu yanje eyabazani ekuza kukwatagana na Kampala nomanya Western yona neza kubera erikuza kurwanura nakoro na timu ekuruga Kampala icyo nkisima munonga hati ingarika ndiga yoko yona hati ingarika runako engeri nguza kubonereza abantu nomanya Mbata n'imbonero zo boga bwanje Mbata nimukimanye binkozire era na keji muzeyi na nka federation
Sajja kutisa
nasindika gorora nkarwana nawe konka tarabiro bwenkanya Mbata ninkiye murugunya gorora nkamusinga kurwo mu round yo kubanza mpaka round ya kana yatekamo ibitaru mpaka basimu kwamba rangira Mbata
Ukano uzuruza
era gorora nakimanyangu indi na fight mu itonsa kurwana rukungiye kayagitina hakagitina baretondizo kuba restaurant yemera namusara yatera mugu kikonija mukakire ba TikTok icyanki kenda mateka ukwe Mbata nargayo era gorora wari nakimanya mangu Mbata nore ayinamwa gamba gati best Mbata the best Western Uganda nuna kimangu ndiki the best hato kwe Mbata nargayo nienda gamba amushijo yaja nkona Mbata nakuntera mu round ya ona Mbata mu round ya kabira bashabindo aneno banante mego mu round ya kabiri kwa no kireba kanore unsaptambura kanyo ntekateka muni basa kumunani ko mu round yo kubanza ko kaja ngutiriya amanzari nyenda kubanza kubiya biyo mucyara wanje memurekera butigona kumura kukira umurekera bumpora mpora abanze mwena habo kugabisa mbona ko tukugabisa ntonzaji gabisa hati kigabisa bona kutandika kujikamu
mucyara ruwa
nuwo so ni nyemera ni mbakora abantu mwizoro nakorwo Mbata ninza kubonereza emboga zanje erangu nimbakasa omushijogo anati
tano tewe sudia
mchara wangu chenja karo kubulia zembata ndi wange ndise gwanga ya rubyo ndise gwanga ya rubyo mchara wange ngenda kumukuba
mugumiki
ono mchara wange ngenda kumukuba era nsubiza abantu ba Western mwenna ono ngenda kuteka ko challenge yonna ato onkuteko kuruna ko ogenda kufuza kwacho onkuteko kuruna ko rwekini akute kumbata ogenda kumulira ogenda kumulira
uliyo ogenda kwaga mulambo
ngenda sikuba jazibulira ngenda sikuba jazibulira nzari kajara nzari mukogera nsubiza aba namawuri nsubiza aba na Uganda mbakakaza ntukurina kurwa idi nze mujemba atangenda kubonereza omuki omusajja wange
omusajja kabata afira mu
tota mukogera afira
mu yakubiri
oyo tesa kumpona mbabulira amazima genyini nze wano ndise gwanga ya rubyo kurina kurwa idi nze mbayita biche katete mujje muwagire champion wa mwembata ono musajja ngina
ku yakubiri kugambe round yakubiri
nze kubira mulamu esoka kubira mu esoka
bisa mukyalawo
kubira esoka
kugambe gwe idi yange
ngenda kubira mu round esoka ngenda kukuba n'omukazi okugenda kugenda yakabe ngenda kukuba n'omukazi wakabe nsikateza usimba ata strongest man the sweet baby omubwati Uganda
gabe ninja mansago sumi Kampala Uganda yonna
nza kongera ali ba undercut okuza ku Rwanda mbatanyine ba undercut omu Western abanje timu yanje bali muri 15 na Kampala nakurgayo 15 so waza gita bawutezo ningira umuherwa zo bangaye 30 so orunako rutinabazana 30 barabe umuriye binyine mu ogo muzungu iki mukari mukitero mungaro mbata kushanga nyingi n'abasuru bakanika kurwa kuri bizo mu Western batraining bagumeni twase kufuna techniques z'abazungu tugite bateze zabo tubogeki tweze zito so na wogo nako nako akoze cyaro kona jangu yari bize munonga koka inamoroboza gasindikire so orunako rwenyini zaza kubasha ina nakuba yakiro muri imbara so nawe nakurwana kandi umuntu akuza kurwana nawe no wa Kampala so nimbaka kasangu njuko nyeta abantu mwena muize mubase kwemera munyumire omuzano
omukuru wa Ndera webale nyo kujja tukwebaziza nnyo tubera tukulaba ne mumbararo guno murundu ozeyo mirundi mingi tukulaba webale nnyo okwagala nnyo yusi okwagala abavubuka ekirala n'okubayigiriza ku kintu ekikwataganye n'empisa njagala kusiima mmwe abamawulire okutegeka abamawulire bona digital wa TV zona ziri wano radio zona ziri wano webale munonga kora ejentebe kanisa ekindu ko kubagamba house mbata zena soka mubamu wagiro kusoka ngazanya nekesa zena lamura nebikonde byawe wano mwajipu era ntuberawo mbata house nabera house nteka ko muzanyo omulala wano kacheka nago gwali mukoro gwa amani house naba house tuletedde wano gorora bezinza amateke gagenze waguru gakoze ikigagize naye mbata nafuka ensonga ti mu Western fetumanyi boxing je tukola ki je tumanyi era nange bokuteka mo panji oyinza okujiwulira nogamba muzeyi wa mampada bata ate naleta maka kodyo kanako kulete teke kati naleta bine byateke bine byokuba amateke kickboxing twali tubiraba Bruce Lee banyabo nga betulaba ku TV ba Bruce Lee bano bakintungungu ababo nanga bitukola ki abo betulaba naye house mbata akoze ekyafayo musajja omunyankole ekyo kusoka ono munyankole okufuuka omuntu aleetawo ekintu ekipya muno kyetubadde situmanyi. Ekirala munzikirize naye wano guno omukolo guno nsiimiremu ne Gorora. Gorora yereeta ddala mu Uganda okumanya nti abantu bayinza okukola bwe bati ne bakuba tteke negenda bwetu negenda bwetu. Era yagamba nti yakube obatunula butunuzi bwati omukazi alina olubuto amutunuulira n'afuna olubuto. Okiraba era tukuma kati olubuto atunulira bwati omukazi n'afuna olubuto nga Gorora akoze ki. So Gorora bamutuukako bona anti mujja kubise naye nze mwebaziza nanokwikiriza kakwatana n'omukirija bwiti ana n'abakwatako mbaata bwayetabuka nono n'atabuka faana n'alina amaanyi g'okulamula bana basajja kati olubitunuulira n'ogamba konkogo omushaija abo ebintu byabekiro batabuka tebaratuteere tukurugayo bakyetegereza kati omuzanyo nigubeera nga gufa akatale olwa empisa ezisitukamu ezireetebwa abazanyi. So abazanyi muteekebwa okubeera n'empisa ennungi ezigumiikiriza muno. Wadde bino ebisajja bino bikanyama ebizungu oba byabikola ebirango bigenda nimigugumbuka nibikola bwe biti bino ebya wrestling na kino langa byekyanze nga bano bwe beekyanze naye ate wabeerawo ab'okubakwata kati saawa eno bano singa batabusaani yande bakute omukulu nifu kyetegereza. So mulina okugumiikirizaako nga kyemufa public eno ebezze mulina okuwa ekitiibwa abana abantu abazze okubalaba mu mizanyo ne balaba omuzanyo ate guno omuzanyo guno gwe muzanya bw'oli bwakukuba nga mumaze okkirizibwa okuvaayo bakukubye n'akwasa ennyindo n'omugwa mu kifuba n'omwebaza nti weebale kulikayo nsinze naye oluddako nze ojja kundaba. Munetegereza ekirala bagambye nti okukuba paati eno gy'okuba noddawa bino ebyeno wansi tibikukwatako bino eby'omuntu okukiraba ati n'omukimba eno wano mu mitwe gyeno tibikola ki bye bakuba biki bye bino ku boxing ate ebigere bino bibaba balaze we musaanidde okukola ki
jakulana n'omusajja bamuyita Mando ava Kasese ku lunaku lwa Idi. Then abadde babuuza mu okuyingira tulina ordinary mutwalo tulina VIP mutwalo 2 tulina kapo gumu kitundu then tulina abaana ba 15 then tulina emmeeza ya miliyoni 1 tulina n'ey'emitwalo 5 n'ey'emitwalo 3 then abalwanyi abalala nabo bwe bali
okuza n'okuruga Kampala ogwo nimukumatize high profile then abandi of course mbata nosagarikamu bache abakuza kuzana abandi konka ogwogo tumuresa abujja no mabazungu tino kutwikiriza nabo bine cyo kuteka mu cyenjawulo actual professional njara jya tumuza kundeta aho mbwiro bwenyina I will come at this time I need enough time to train kuko yanagamba umwamika kembu hatu ncho cya mukwaturuka na train just urushere aha muri cyuruhura konka mbato ino konda kongeraho just numugambaho ekibuzo na cyo tukimari
Odga murimbarra ninga notekateka kwijo murimbarra abaling suits beno buraro bwamani munonga kandi benene bitanda birungi tibakakoma buraro benene bala nungi bozirimecho kumye cyaburi muringo benene hotelo halimu emere yekiraguju nangwa n'ekijungu kandi orende emere yo kutwara waba baling suits nacho barakikora echo mujungu ari kweta ngo niteka we bene na sauna na steam ogesro na massage basa kubura bayikira kugira ngo akoboherezobwe parking yabo ne yamani munonga kandi nimpango ebyo kwerinda byabo biri guruguru munonga kandi abaling suits barashango mu rwembo rwambara omuri Katete waruga parking ya boda boda ya St Mary's ori kwenda ku booking orabasa kurabera namba ze smage 0 kaga na mwenda kandi orabasa kugamba na director wa link suits ori kurabera namba ze smage 0 kaga nemwe 5 ogesro ne ya 0 mushanju kaga nemwe 5 twena katurukangira link suits kugira ngo tutungo buhereza burungi.
Amazina ganye ni champion Mbata strongest man the sweet baby omubwati Uganda Mbata nyetekatecheje munonga ntweyiningire nyine ba coach banje na management yanje basekwemerera okubanza nkategeka training abona ku garo fight then fight eyingarireho n'inkuza kurwana aruna kurwakirwa Idi nabo akina ni muni bagambira opponent nguza kurwana ogwa Kampala ninza kumuchallenging munonga akurigirira ogwe namureba karengu nisuwa diru kaweddemu ogwo no mukyara wanje ogwo ono kaweddemu ogwo no mukyara wanje ninyenda kumubiya biyampora mpora mbaze mu musige ndukumukisinga na twakisi mukisinge naeza mutandike kahwemu so ninkora abantu mwena mubase kwizorona kurwaidi murebengeri inkuza kuwo mucyara wanje echo nikibagamba burizo mbata numumanya okurigira abantu abimbase kwemera kuchallenginga Kenya, Egypt, Uganda, Moses Gora mbase kuteka imbere kuchallenginga so nagamba mucyara numutegera ntokamba atebyagamba nakora kinabamanyisa nienda mumanye ngo mbate bigamba bingamba tinkubi nategesa eji narganta ni nyambuko mu rusoze niza kutraininga tinyemerire mbata so ninkakasa abantu ba Western mbakora mubase kwemera muize nyine timu yanje yo mu Western aha eri muno muzungu ere n'umuzungu runakoro nakurwana nye na timu ekuza kurga Kampala ejije eyinogo unare na n'umudongo guniza kumunabiso n'umudongo eje timu je ekurga Kampala no makampara tekasingaga burwe kuza kuniye n'intera mwinde kambagarike mu murundu gwa kabiri so
uryo mutezi abantu
ndiyo mutezi
no kutera umuntu
dahanga wanje abamahuri mbagambire ki nimukimanyankumba ndiyo mutezi n'abacyara bakankonera mwari umucyara yakujyatewe kambata kakuba none utero mazima garugo wareba n'umwana mutakajya timbato yakuba buri muntu we nayikiriza ngumbata ki the best number 1 Western Uganda so nimbakakasa muize musanza kumunabisa icyo ninkibakakasa ninyenda round yo kubanza kabenye nama MBA biyempora mu mucyara to kumura kucyano mbanzo obanzo mu biya biyampora mpora ukeza usanga yaterire omarire nsonga so imuri na kuriya muize iningi niza kugikoro musozi ninyenda kwata mabare era ninyenda kubasubiza ngo training yanje yatandikizo beri yo mwazi ndukwetekera fight yaro na kurwa idi eyinkuza kurwana beach katete so nimbakora muize mbatambase kwemera kuswera umucyara wanje tigwe ndego akaza kwemera kandi mbato mukaza agenzera yamuteko kwe yayemera yamusereka tagambira abantu koko mucyara narangirira siyone nereba ejinu press conference yanje narangirira niza kuri umucyara wanje aruna kurwaidi so nimbeta muyiza ora namazima kanyiba nkaza no kurwo mu round yo kubanza eya kabiri eya kasatu eya kana kiyarebere nama kumuwininga yateka mu bitakoze cye bitarumu so nicyo kureba ngo nagorra mutegerizo mukona nawe nakimanya ngo mbata the best Uganda okutaha munu siringi omutwaro biza babiri bwa hati omuntu yiza hate tikete ngeri zero mwangu nesingi omutwaro gumone chweka meza areze mitwara 3 neza miliyoni
kuza muri cyo mageta bikira
mbageta idide manzari niza kuri manzari ganje gumucyara bageta kickboxing ensambagere emigere nebekone jamani muhuraba kubigamba nemigere nebekonde so nicyo kwene nimbakora muize orunakoro mbase kurengera inkuza kuri umucyara wanje
mbamenyera rero musajja bucyanga kubagana n'abasajja ndoza badalwana n'abacyala dera gudde ku mpologoma sina mpologoma dragon dera sanze dragon to yambo awozambo agena kumpasa biki tagena sukala undi yakubiri agena gwanga mulambo bamubalire ngandi wadi mpozinze bishitege data musitule na usijja noma kubeno fair fight friendly fight siku down chobachi omusipi we mangu tutte ajja kujja gukime Kampala nenga round eyokubiri
so benti musajja wa bigambo atego uri action
wansi wa gurusho yagala nkulage anko omusajja round eyokubiri agenda gwanga maiti ngena mudigida ngena digido oyo double left ku bati ni jumping ni ngena digido omusajja wamwe